to do a cover makeup. I think you like the previous cover makeup. And if there's any other eyeliner makeups you want me to do, make sure to comment below. And I'll do it. This is Glossier Stretch Concealer. I'm gonna use this one. Using a flat concealer brush, I'm applying the concealer under my eyes. Around my mouth. And on the sides of my nose. This is Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. Taking Salted Caramel, I'm just gonna use it as the base. Using a fluffy brush, I'm applying the shadow all over the lid and concentrating most of the shade on the outer V. And also put it under my eyes. Just like on the lids, we're gonna do the same thing on the lower lash line. We're gonna keep on adding shadows until it becomes our desired shade. I'm just gonna start layering up the darker browns so we can create a more gradient effect. So I'm starting off with Semi-Sweet. Then I'm gonna, oh my. Using a lighter brown shade, I'm lining my lash line and then creating a winged line. I'm also gonna do that on the lower lash line. Seems a bit crazy now, but we're just gonna blend it out. We're gonna keep on building up with this triple fudge. Just gonna try to keep on making it darker. I'm starting from the inner corner and then slowly building out to create a wing. Once I place the eyeshadow on the wing, I blend it out and I keep on repeating the same steps until it's dark enough for me. Okay. Other eye now. Her shadow goes all the way here to the inner corner, but that won't suit my eye shape, so I'm just gonna skip that part. I'm gonna use an eyeliner, the waterline. This is a dark brown, by the way. I'm placing the eyeliner on the outer third of the waterline. Okay, now we're gonna use mascara. L'Oreal's Telescopic mascara. Gonna brush through the brows because these are gonna be hidden anyway. XOXO Lisa Frank X Glamour Dolls. This is their Bitten in Bronze matte bronzer. Because this bronzer is more of a contour shade, I'm going to contour the outer perimeter of my face and my chin. So this is Colourpop's Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Trap. My lips are so gray now. I'm using my finger and just blending it out to get more of a blurred effect. So it's kind of gray, so I'm just going to add Buxom's Full On Lipstick in Amsterdam. Ooh, okay. Let's accessorize now. Oh my, I have secret weapon. This is just a jump ring, and then I took 2 pliers and just did that. Then, ow, it hurt. Oh my gosh, I'm like, what is it? This is not my style at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, bye.